Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good day to all over the globe. Today's vlog is I'm gonna show you all guys how to prepare oven steamed fish. By the way guys, this fish, they call it here in Middle East a sibas. And the ingredients I'm gonna using are the onion, tomato, ginger, lemon, the long chili pepper, and of course, I have a malt. Why you're asking I have a malt? Later I'll tell you why. And then, first, since I've already removed the scale of this fish and I've already washed this one and drained it properly, let's proceed on slicing the fish. Now guys, let's proceed since I've already washed the fish and drained it properly. Let's slice the fish now. By slicing the fish, don't slice by the stomach. In the stomach. Slice it at the back, at the other side of the fish. And then, when you slice it, be extra careful on slicing it. You will slice it until the tail and cut it slowly. Cut the meat slowly, not to cut it open. And then, same procedure to the other fish. You should slice it slowly. And then, after that one, when it is done, I am extra careful with slicing it. Because I don't want to open the skin, to slice the skin. I just only slicing the meat. I leave the skin attached to the fin. And after that one, I'm so much careful. And after it, I'm done. So let's Now guys, I am done slicing it. The next procedure is taking or pulling out the veins. See, I am pulling out the veins and be extra careful guys in taking it out. And then, after you take it out, you should spread the body open and remove all of the entrails that is located in the fish anus and cut this out. Some fish have a kidney by the backbone and by their backbone. Yeah, by their backbones. And remove it by scraping by your hand. Take it out with a spoon or by your tongue. After that one, you should also remove the intestines and its fats. After taking everything from inside the stomach of the fish, I'm pulling it all out. After taking it out, rinse the cavity out with a good stream of water and wash the skin and then drain it into a dish. Now guys, let's proceed to the third procedure. You're asking why I have malt. Yes, why I'm using malt for cleaning the fish. It's because the carbon and the water glucose syrup in the malt binds the compound that causes that fishy odor, in essence extracting it from the fish. What's left behind it after you soak the fish in the malt is a sweet-smelling, brighter flesh and clean flavor. But be sure to it that you will pour the malt down the drain. But you can also use a sea salt brine and a vinegar in soaking the fish. Now let's proceed to the condiments and the spices. Now peel off the onion. After peeling off the onion, the onion and the ginger guys, wash it thoroughly and then put it in the strainer. After take a shredder and then set aside and then shred the ginger. Why I'm shredding the ginger and not slicing it, because I want the aroma on it to come out, because the half of that shredded ginger I will put it into the soup fish. And now leave it for 30 minutes. With lemon, half of the lemon, and then slice the onion. It's up to you guys on how you slice the onion, but for me, I slice it by cubes, not too small and not too big. Same procedure as tomato. I am done with the onion and the tomato. Let's proceed to this long chili paper. I slice it by slant. A little bit thinner because this is not too hot chili. That's why I cut it a little thinner. Guys, I am mixing all the condiments and the spices in a bowl. And also, in the condiments I have this ground pepper, chili flakes, the black pepper, ground black pepper, the garlic powder, the salt, and then I already drained the fish, and then afterwards all the mixed condiments and spices I put inside the fish. See, I am putting it slowly so that it will not go out. Put it upside down. As you can see, that's how I'm putting the spices. Now guys, after you putting the spices from head to tail, prepare a foil. See, I have a foil here, and I will wrap the fish on it. But be extra careful when wrapping on it because my foil is only the thin one, not the thick one. And then first you put to make the down on the fish. I'm extra careful on wrapping it. Here's a trivia guys. Why is it called an oven steamed fish? Because Eastern whole fish is a classic Chinese way to prepare. This is a classic way to prepare it. But don't worry about having a large steam. If you don't have a large steamer, you can make this delicious Chinese oven steamed fish with plain old oil. See guys, here we are now after I wrap this one guys. See now I'm almost wrapping it. Already prepared the oven to the lowest temperature because I don't want my fish to be warm. That's why I put it in a low temperature. Now it's ready to put inside the oven. Now guys, when I put it now in the oven, don't you worry guys if I don't have water in it. Why I call it steam but I don't have water. Don't worry because the water of the fish will give its water itself. So just leave it there for an hour, and after that one, we'll just check. After 30 minutes like that, you check the fish so that it will not also burn. Now it's already 30 minutes done, and I checked it. See, it has water now. The water is out. And then after that one, I wrap it again and put it back. Now it's done. Ready to serve. See, here it is now. Serve it with tomato and lemon. Now let's try it, guys. It will be so beautiful. Hey guys, the result is so wonderfully perfect. It's so perfect. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video. Love much. Alliyah.